G'day guys, back here on our Newport renovation project. The team are doing such a fantastic job, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update on where we're at on this project. So in the last video we showed you all the plasterers and the incredible job that they have done on site. Now we're starting to get all the trades following through behind them. So we've had our fit out gear show up from Brett's Hardware. This week our carpenters will get started on the fit out. We got Shane from Densley's Elite Stone on site starting to do all the waterproofing because our tiles have just showed up from Up Tiles. So his boys will get stuck into the waterproofing. We'll water test our showers. We do this for 48 hours. This makes sure everything is perfect before we go doing any bedding and laying our tiles. So the bedding and the tiles will start later in the week. We've currently got all the trades on site doing their cut and strip. So for anyone that doesn't know, the cut and strip is basically we come in after the plasterers have finished their sheeting and their setting, and we get the electricians in, we get the air conditioning guys in, the owner's got his AV team here on site, and they're basically cutting the holes for all the power points, light switches, speakers, air conditioning, vents, return airs, all those types of things. And the reason we get them in now is because we can set everything out, we can use lasers, we can get all the lights perfectly in line, we can make sure everything's in the right locations, we make sure the plasterer hasn't hidden any wires behind his sheetings and all those types of things. So everything is perfect. That way, once we get the painter in and we do all the painting, and they come and do their fit-offs, we don't have to worry about any patching. So everything is in the right position at this point in time, which saves a hell of a lot of drama when it comes to fitting off the project. The other thing we've got happening, which is really exciting, our bricks have showed up, and we've actually got the bricklayer coming to site this week to start all the patching and the blending into the existing house on this project. And then we'll be able to get the render in, finish the outside off, and get the painter started. So things are really happening on this project. The owner is over the moon. We've just finished a weekly site meeting this morning. We've gone through everything. We've talked about what's going on, what's coming up. In about 4 to 5 weeks time, they've got a few selections they need to meet with our painter to confirm all the colours and those types of things. And once the tile is finished, we'll get them on site to talk, work through the shower screens and the robe fit outs and those types of things. So yeah, lots of communication, lots of detail, lots of organising, but it all pays off because our jobs flow smoothly and our clients are happy.